Jerry, just a video. Okay, we take out this one. Okay, you have to take out to here in order to make the y-axis, because the y-axis this you have to take out the fitting. Okay, you see, there's a fitting here. Just take the fitting, and then from here is the plastic tube. Go to the yoke. Go to the y-axis ball screw. So to install the ball screw, you have to take out to here. Okay. So right now we can do is we just do the y-axis ball screw and put inside y-axis ball screw and tighten down the 3 axis, the 3 ball. You see the 3 bolts directly to the ball screw, direct to the yoke. Okay. Make the fitting to the ball screw, the loop to the ball screw, and put it back. Okay, and we'll just put it back. Okay. The originally 4 bolts. So then we can put the ball screw. After we install the loop, we put back the ball screw, and then we start to put the x-axis. Axis ball screw, you see here, already 3 feet. Okay, the 3. You have to take out. Because you have to take out this one. Because why we already take it out? If we install the ball screw, they are no longer have this brass nuts. They only have this one. So you have to take out this brass nut and insert the ball screw on the x-axis. And put this already on. Put this one back. That's it. And if you have a new DRO, the reader head you don't have to take out. But you can slice out the scale, the rod. You know the DRO, they can slice the rod out. And then after you install the x-axis, put the scale, the rod scale in, will be fine. And then you might have to reinstall the power feed. Okay. Okay. Definitely you have to put back the kit. Just a kit. If you have any question, just let me know. Okay. Thank you. Bye.
And see, that's ball screw is a little bit longer one, and put this thing in there, and using the lock.
ISRM 20X 1.0P.
Yeah. Probably we're going to send the one for the customer. Okay, using the lock. And tie down the lock. Just tie it up using the wrench. Tie the lock. And this one, you have to modify that. Cut this piece off and then make the hole a little bit bigger, and then let this place go in little bit go in, because right now cannot get in, right? See, they got the space over here, so you have to cut this piece. After you cut is not enough. After you cut not enough, and then you have to make the hole a little bit bigger, and then get in to the tree, and then let this face and then to this face closer, like that. Okay, and after you modify this part, and then they got the little bit longer space over here, and then you have to make the ladder spacer put in here, and put the handle here. So just make the spacer between this part and then the handle, and then tie up. That's all. And otherwise, let me just hand on. Seem like a spacer over here. Put in there. Just put some spacer here, and then let, see, like that. Put some spacer here. That's it. Okay. So we're going to send the lock for, we're gonna send the lock for the customer, and then the customer, they make the spacer by themselves, and then modify this part by themselves also. Okay. All right.